Welcome back. We're continuing the news. The weak link. How stakeholders see data security at local telecoms providers. Experts argue telecoms need to do more to protect customer information as tech-savvy fraudsters are multiple steps ahead. Now, this comes amidst growing public frustration over the latest scam, SIM swap, affecting mobile users. Giovanni Dennis has more in this primetime news follow-up.
Security systems for financial accounts online, emails, and even your mobile phone all form part of your online security chain, which may appear strong in parts, but according to this IT expert, has a weak link.
So that's the issue. It's just like, this is a pretty good gate. It's having a big fence around stuff and it seems secure, but there's this weak point, which is your cell phone and the cell company, where people can actually access and break in.
The reason? Criminals are changing their tactics faster than telecom security can respond.
The people who are in the organizations are not necessarily updating their security as fast as the individual can find out how to do things. That's where the problem is. Because I could just go, me, and promise you, if I was to become one of the SIM swappers, I'd be one of the best at it. And that's just me doing our research. Is that easy to do?
In 2019, 3 former employees of Verizon and AT&T, the 2 largest telecoms providers in the United States, were charged for their part in a SIM swapping ring where they allegedly took bribes in exchange for releasing customer information. There's no evidence or reports of similar cases in Jamaica, although we continue to await an update from the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Both Flow and Digital tout their security. Flow says it takes the security of customers' data seriously and has robust policies and processes, including visual ID verification, which are followed before a SIM swap is done. Digicel says safeguarding the privacy and confidentiality of customers' information is their #1 priority, noting they've invested heavily in data security. But the head of investigations in the Fraud Prevention Unit at NCB argues stronger security mechanisms are needed.
Telecom provider will have to strengthen the authentication or the validation process around issuing and replacing SIM card. That is where it is going to be very critical.
Do you think our local telecoms companies need to do better?
Yeah, of course. But they just need to tell people what to do. They don't require it. So I was thinking about it like, you know, when we changed to 876 and we had to put the phone number in and it said no more phone calls past this date, and lots of people didn't change until finally it came and he said, oh crap, I have to start changing numbers. You should just probably say, you know, by July X, you know, anyone who doesn't have a PIN on their SIM card, we're going to lock your SIM. You know, do things to just force security.
Since our first report on Friday, several other customers have reported that they have suffered from SIM swap scam. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.